Now, if you total all the three shares of three sons, you will find that the total 9 plus 6 equal to 15, 15 plus 2 equal to 17. So total comes up 17. Good evening, friends. If you remember, in my second video, I asked you one puzzle, the mathematics puzzle. It's a very interesting one. If you remember, there was a very genius mathematician, old man, who before dying declared his will, and in that will he said that he has 17 cows and he wants it to be distributed among his three sons in a particular ratio, and that ratio was the eldest son will get half of the cows, the middle son will get 1/3 of the cows, and the youngest one will get 1/9 of the cows. And after that, that person died. Now, the three sons were in confusion how to divide these cows according to their father wish. So, to remind that one, I have written all this data on a chart paper. I have shown you yesterday also. Now I will show you again so that you can remind what was that question. So if you can see, and this was the question. So now, as I already promised to give the solution of this, so I will produce these two solutions in two. Now this puzzle, the solution I will do in two different ways. One, as the story says, in a manner in which the students find it interesting, looks like a magic. And another way, the mathematical approach. The mathematical approach for those who are still confused how this happened, because some of my students, my viewers, they gave me the solution of this. They did the correct solution, but still they have some doubts in their mind. So to clear that doubt, I will show the same thing in mathematical way also. So first, I will show you how this problem can be solved. Now, going back to the story, there was a wise man. So when he heard about this problem, he came and he said that I have a solution. So all the three sons requested that wise man to solve this problem. So what he did, the wise man went home and bring one of his cow and tied it together with all the other 17 cows. Now what happened? From this chart paper, I am trying to show you what actually happened. So there were 17 cows before, and after adding this one, total cows will be 18 now. Now, as promised by the wise man gave half of the total cows to the eldest son. So that will be half of 18 will be 9. Now, the middle son's share was 1/3 of the total cows. So that will be 1/3 into 18, and it comes up as 6. And the youngest one, he had a share of 1/9. So 1/9 of 18, that comes up with 2. Now, very interestingly, if you add these three distributed cows, which three sons has got, add it up and you will find a very interesting thing. Now this comes as, okay, after distributing all the three shares, that comes up as 70. One cow remains, because there were total 18 cows. So one cow remains, and that cow which that wise man has bought with himself. Now that same cow, he took it again, and from the whole story, the way this whole thing has been distributed, you found that cow which was bought extra has been again returned to that wise man, and there is no extra cow was used to distribute, and still the wish of that old man has been fulfilled. Now, as I said that I'll show you the same problem mathematically also. So let X cows to be distributed, because we don't know exactly how many cows is to be distributed. 17 was the number, but that is not possible. So in that case, we consider that one as X. Then the respective shares of all the three sons will be X by 2 of the eldest one, X by 3 and X by 9. Now, as old man's wish, X by 2 plus X by 3 plus X by 9 should sum up as 17. So taking LCM, the LCM will be 18. So that will be 9x plus 6x plus 2x equal to 17. Now this gives us 17x by 18 is equal to 17. That gives us x equal to 17 into 18 by 17. This 17 get cancelled and the answer comes as 18. 18 that has to be distributed. So eldest son will get x by 2, that is 18 by 2 equal to 9. Middle son x by 3 is equal to 18 by 3 equal to 6, and the youngest son share is x by 9 is equal to 18 by 9, and that comes up as 2. Now, the same solution, I did it with the help of mathematics. This problem was interesting because x comes as 18, and from the story there was no 18 there. But total 6 people solved this puzzle and sent their solution to me. They were correct, and in the next upcoming video I will again throw a beautiful, interesting mathematics puzzle in the form of story. So please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so that whenever I upload that video, you get the notification. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.